backrooms again. But now I come across like half two, like yeah, half an hour. What just happened? As soon as he woke up, immediately just dies. I thought I set this to easy mode, not 10 billion times harder mode. I'm so scared right now. Bro, what was that even? What even that jump scare? The only thing he did was put his fingers in my face. I'm so scared. But yes, I am gonna take a water break in a minute. Okay, that race for the door, so that means yes, I'm near the ladder. I have figured out the map of this level because I played this so many times. It's just easy. Yes, I did go into multiplayer. Press easy, game this ERRE, and just press start before someone can join. See, look, that's the limit. And if there's a landing cross someone, that means they're dead. So if you ever press tab, what Y presses shift, what just tab, you will that would happen. Yeah. Well, imagine playing a game like that, you will not know if that area would be after you. No. Okay, let's hope you do not go down until the entity. Or the entities which are entities fingers is face. I'm gonna I'm scared. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm walking on nothing, and this is a glitch. You can actually do. So basically, you just wanna hug the wall. Like, I bet I can guess the code. And yeah, no, I can't. I can't do it. I am dumb. My I am so dumb. I can't even do something. Oh my god. Open the door. We don't need what most people are fancy never want out. So never mind. I was about to say what I'm really looking for is a flash. Man, the light is broken. I'm gonna have to call a repair team, make them no clip into the bathrooms, and yeah, can you no clip into the bathrooms, beat level 0 and fix the broken light? No, red. I didn't guess red, blue, blue, blue. It was red, 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 blue. I am so dead. Open it, open it. Red, blue, red. Haha! Losers! Oh, you actually losers! And then you are right on the top of it. I see the under the map. War break. I told you there was gonna be one. I don't usually go there anymore. I go straight for these two. I thought that I have like a door. that was skin scaler. I actually never got thunder from this level. We're looking for like caves, I think. Oh, I see something somewhere in my mouth. Even though my mom calls me a shower god. Oh my god. Hey, that's Bob. Are you guys your name in Skin Stealer? So welcome, Bob. Bob is now going to be in one of my videos. I think I can't find a singular mad. But yeah, we want to put them in so we don't die and up. Where did Bob? Where did Bob see me? Let's start running. That's dope. I'm not taking it. One. Can it stop? Oh, what? I'm not gonna make one. I can run forever. It's just chasing me. Nope. Stamina. Appears around the corner. Imagine that was actual hound. I'll be like, okay, first of all, this is not the hardest level yet. Second of all, I can beat the hardest level because in like under 5 minutes, I think. Why do in the room skin what I do when I find all three is go to the nearest dog and let him eat me, and then you'll TP back to the beginning. What I used to do when I played Escape the Backrooms was if it was in the basement. What I used to do if it was in that room, I would press escape and yeah. Give me up. I am the Mr. Capybara. One night you have a girlfriend that you need me or else it's breaking up with you. Where's the kid? Nope, nope, if I die, it's not fair, Bob. Loser! Bob is the loser! One, two, dang it, Matt. Where's the door open? Dumb. Describe me in one word. Dumb. There's also like a glitch where if you are fast enough, you can jump on the other, but you can jump and crouch. Dang it, we're gonna go down to the same screen. Yeah, there's something in the back of my throat. I am now scared. The reason why I wasn't at school. ready for your earbuds, okay? Have your earbuds. If you're watching this on here headphones and they're all the way turned up. Oh, then no. There's nothing there. Right, we got it. Ew! There's something like a teeth. There's something like a teeth. And I have growing teeth. I have one that's nearly fully grown. Oh, it's probably already fully grown. So we'll find the code LDOR. That's nearly like nothing. I start with OR. What does this expect? I want to LD. Oh my god, LD. Dang it! No! EXXXE. Sonic.exe. I have a Sonic.exe app on my phone. EXA, no. No. You can't. Unless if it's here. Unless if it's here. EXA. But it says there requires code. Yeah. Now call. Like my WhatsApp does. What? I know where this one is. It's on this one, isn't it? Yeah. The fact that you have to move for, for the second one. Okay, LDA. Let's go! Oh, that was so long. I don't know if photographical memory, but okay. Time to get my trusty phone out. Up, out. No, I do not want to play one of my stupid games I'm playing before the video. Why do I have two WhatsApp notifications? Why do I have 169 altogether? I do not want to play friends. Wait, guys, real quick, does I do Who's for Friends for the next video? Like, no, I saw a video on there and it glitched the hell out. Someone sit HHAREYOU date.exe one. You're not to high school 78. But we recorded and had nobody authorized to rescue mission. Don't throw this warning again. Because my friend's out with me. Okay, so now we're just giving off. Now we're in danger. Bro, why can't I sound like. Sometimes I can sound like Welcome Simpson. His voice very bad, dude. Oh, I know, don't get me. Hey guys, comment down below. Oh, wait, no, I can't. I need to make a single player one if I want to do a series. Comment down below if I should make a single player one and make a series. Because the only reason why I can't do a series on this is because I have no safe files. So yeah, I'll just pretty much fit. I usually just wait until the first one goes. Oh, they look like my dad. But I'm dead. Lisa! Oh my god, you guys stop! You guys stop! Wait, I don't know if it's connected yet. No. I know you're there. Wait, I think all them visible. Ah! No! I remember me and Kobe, who's Kobe and Elfo, used to have so much trouble on this one, and I'm still stuck on level 3, but I can beat it in this season. You can make, you can. Dark room. Dark room. No, 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 no. Please? No one wants your emergency? Yes! We're making it to the station, baby. You're gonna fight off the hounds. If I can fire up the one like off the phone, maybe. I really want this. I really want this to be like a series. Like one day we'll make it to level fun. Gonna hate that because it took me and Kobe forever when we done it on easy and easy mode. Normal mode we beat it once, so we knew ready. How is that enough to scare me? My microphone nearly dropped, and that made me scared. Why? It's like, I don't have the sound down anymore. Maybe I should. Running for my life. This one. Yes. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. What bait? Let's go. It's 1:58 p.m. Damn, it's past morning. Bad food. 2 o'clock. I usually have dinner around 4ish, 5ish, 5ish. So that's like the usual time I have. Okay, let's go. Tell one. There's no way you can die on this one. Like this area. If you find a way to die, and then put it as a community clip on here and just say that I see it. And if you do that, I'll give you a shout out. That's an ASMR. scared about the house. Um, like, well, I'm always over it. I'm going to get my editor to play that meme where Stu Griffiths is afraid of that one photo. Please, I really want that in my game. This stop! No. I got exit. It's you never exit indoor. Okay, let's go. I was gonna play like Roblox, but I thought this game would be more fun. Let's go! One already. We're now four. I turned half and hound and hound. Blindy. This is Rufus 1, and the one in the next room is Rufus 2. This is my dog. And if you think I should start a Bigfoot series for the license glitched out, then comment down below. With Kobe, of course. Why wouldn't I do it without the KBNL though? Which you should totally subscribe to. I'm at 2. I can make it to 3 and go to my dog. No, no, just scare me. So where is it? God, we're gonna have to open it up. God, okay, I'll be one. No, no, let's go back. Dead, dead. I mean, we're coming out alive. So far, I only died once because the entity was camping in wall. Like, no. I'm always over dying. That's for like 5 times. I'm pulling off from Paris. This is very an edit. I love it, little doggy. Yeah, listen, we can go out on a date. Applebee's or McDonald's. Click 7. Doggy, dog, 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 dog. Let me back play for this over there. Wait, blind it one more time. Blind it one more time. You can't move. Yeah. There's a glitch where you can blind it like 3 times. That and it will just run away. So that's the tip for every new player. Blind it 3 times and then it will just run away. It's definitely unharmed. You know it's blind it right. Okay, got 1. That's Dogi Dogi number 2. Dogi Dog. Dog! 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 Hello, dog. Hello, Rufus from Toby. Toby's dog. Why is it humanoid? Huh? Oh, sorry guys, my mom was just so mad. Oh, there's a doggy dog. There's a doggy dog. Doggy. Dog. You are a good dog. You are a bad dog. That means you must be blinded. Bad light. Yeah, I can't wait to receive my copyright strike. Why do I even know what a copyright strike is? Yes! That's one more task. I think I know where it is. Oh, dang it. It's one of the hard ones. It has to be blue. That was easy. Oh, did he move easier? By the way, yes, I beat it. By the way, if you were wondering, I beat it balls, but I'm not gonna act like I never beat it before. I mean, I've beat it. I'm on tap 6. I am now lost. I am lost. Lol. I am very lost. I am just 5 year old. My dad. 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 Boys. Give up for missing 7K reviews. You sacrifice his life. My nose is very itchy. Yeah, you guys are just a boiled one. I was gonna do like a video yesterday on it, but no, the fact I've nope, the doggy dog is what? Where is it? On? Is it on doing that to the room? The phone must be somewhere here. I must have. Oh yeah, sure. No, no. That's what I was. Die. Did I? Yeah, let's do it. Or, yeah, let's see how long it will. See how long this video is going. Half an hour. Guys, I was gonna beat this level and then we're gonna, and then we'll gonna end it off at the office, okay? Part 2 will be coming soon, though. Part 2 will be coming soon, like, probably about next week. If I can get up to the next week. It depends on my mom. Dog? No, dog. Dog? Dog. Rufus! Rufus, I miss you. Ever since Bigfoot killed you. Or did you just or did you take a bad enough landing? Go, 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 forward, go, go, go! This was going to be like 45 minutes. I mean, one. Now we're gonna go to the secret room. I can't say doors for two, by the way. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. How do you see how far? What does one in there? I'm actually gonna be mad. One out of three. Oh my god, two already. That one was actually pretty easy. Okay, let's see if we can find the third final one. So, well, no, that's actually still unlucky. Then from that, from the dog got blinded. I thought, oh, hell no. Like, if my editor can please just hit that Stewie me mark. They just said, like that. I never thought I would jump again. So bad. Yeah? My friends already just died. Oh, wait, let me check it out. See the I've got someone's number. Let's also you guys can never find anybody's number. That is there has to be one here, right? Guys, I don't understand. What was just one there now? Oh my god. I'm scared. Yes, it's in here. Oh my god, I'm such a freaking idiot. Come on, come on. Listen, you can beat this. Yeah. Oh my god, I have some bunga. Yes. Ah! Oh my god, I fell down. Oh my god, guys, we finally get this. I'm sad to end the video, but at least we made it past level hell. So I'm giving this level its own custom name, level hell. Okay, guys, we made it. Let's go. We only died once on that level, so we died twice. 3 times we died in the game today, but there won't be any part. So yeah, I'm gonna have to single player all the way to that level. But I think I have a single player on level 5, 3. I, I really do not know, but so I hope you guys enjoyed the video on that, and I'll see you next time on Mason's Epic Game Reviews. Like and subscribe, please.